temperature I have there. I'm going to go ahead and put a couple of tablespoons of sugar in. And this that around, put our yeast in. All right, let's see if we had that too hot or not. Or we had the temperature just right. We'll let it sit a few minutes and see if it's going to start cooking for us. Start bubbling. Let's check on our yeast. Wow. We got a lot of bubbly going on there. A lot of bubbly going on there. Okay, we're going to add in our additional ingredients here. We have a teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna go ahead and put this into the yeast itself. We'll put a teaspoon of salt, and I have 3 tablespoons of oil. Hopefully we'll have enough in here to. That's just regular cooking oil, vegetable oil. 3 tablespoons of oil in there. Come on. We're going to go ahead and whisk all of this together. Okay, mix that up real good. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I need a trivet. That's what I need, a trivet. Now I'm going to add 1 egg. And again, we're going to whisk this all together here and make a big concoction. Let's see what we got. Now I have a pocket down in my flour there. We'll go ahead and get this in this bowl. I'm trying to incorporate that with our flour. I reserved some flour here because I wasn't so sure how much this was gonna take. I'm using a new King Edward high protein flour. All right, we're gonna let this dough rise. Fold it over a couple more times here. We're going to let it rise. We're going to take it out and roll it out. We're going to make some cinnamon twists this morning, some breakfast cinnamon twists. Sound like a good thing to do on a rainy day morning. Well, I can't get over that yeast. The yeast really activated well. I thought the water was kind of warm, and put 2 tablespoons of sugar. All right, we'll set this on the side and let it rise. In the meantime, we're going to put together our cinnamon filling here in just a second. All righty, let's see if we can put together our filling, or our spread on that, our cinnamon swirl spread. It's about 3 tablespoons of butter. Just a hair less, but that's what we're going to put in there. So we have softened butter because we're going to mix this. Let's see what we got here. 1 teaspoon. We're going to mix these dry ingredients with it. I have 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And then we're going to do 3 tablespoons of sugar. All right. Get this all mixed up some kind of way. Softened butter. We'll just have to incorporate that sugar in. Well, that's going to be a nice filling. don't know that we have enough there, but maybe not enough for my liking. I might have to beef that up a little bit. We'll see. I wasn't real happy with the way that this looked in this dish here, so I went ahead and melted a little bit more butter. I'll put some softer butter in there. We don't have to use all of this, but we're certainly going to beef it up a little bit. Put another thing of sugar. And another cinnamon. Let's see where that gets us. Oh, yeah. That's a little bit more the consistency I was looking for to be able to spread on that bread. So, all right, we're just going to set that around, let it stay at room temperature. Won't harden up too much, but let's give it a taste. Well, going to be excellent. Going to be really good in a piece of bread. We're going to take this and put it out on the counter. We just need a little bit of flour to fool with it, but I'm going to punch it down a little bit. A little bit of sticky still. See a little bit back in a little bit. All right. You see we're showing a little oil coming out of that oil on the bread there. I think we're good right there. Let's go ahead and roll her out. All right, roll her out, David. Roll her out. That's good. I think it's plenty wide enough or plenty long enough. Okay. Roll out a little bit. All righty. Remember this brown stuff we made? This cinnamon, that's going to be the basis for our swirl there. Well, let's see if we can get that spread around. We'll try to do it. All righty, now here's the task. The task says we need to roll this up. I think I should have rolled it more this way, but that's all right. We're going to go ahead and roll it. Roll that cinnamon right up there in our bread. Wow, look at that. Turn it this way, kind of making a mess there. That's okay. First time making this, we can make a mess. All right, let's cut her in half. But I still don't know. Oh, look at that beautiful stuff. Okay, we're gonna try to wrap her. We're gonna try to spin her around. There you go, make a big old. Kind of a cinnamon roll. Look at all that cinnamon on the top and the beauty. Boy, oh boy, that's a pretty piece of bread there. I just lightly sprayed this pan here just to make sure we had something there. Let's see if we can transfer this. Oh yeah. I'm happy with that. We're gonna let that rise again. Cover it up. We'll give it about a 30-minute rise this time and see what we come up with. Alrighty, it's been 30 minutes. Wow, it's doubled in size for sure. Good looking bread, good looking. And we haven't even baked it yet. Boy, the twists are just perfect and can't wait, can't wait. Alrighty, our oven is preheated for 350 degrees. We're gonna set our bread in and cook around 30 minutes. When it comes out, we'll put a little bit of butter on the top and maybe sprinkle with a little sugar. It looks like we got plenty of sugar there, but put it in the oven 30 minutes. We'll be back. Wowzer. Wowzer. We got a bread or what? Dang, we got us a bread. All right, let's go ahead and finish it. I'm gonna take this butter. I'm gonna go ahead and run some butter over the top of it. Look at that cinnamon. Wow. This is like I'm excited. That's really a cool looking bread. We're gonna see if we can even get it out of this pan. Well, that's a big bread. Okay, I'm gonna get it out of there. We're gonna get that baby out and put it on this rack so we can start chilling a little bit. Come on, baby. Come on, let's stay together. Stay together, stay with me. There you go. Stay with me, baby. Roll over if you have to, but stay with me. All these inside pieces, we'll butter that stuff up. We're not gonna ice it. Put all this butter. Oh yeah. Let's see if we can pull a piece of this apart before it's even cool. Let's pull this back piece off. Wow. Wow, look at that bread. Wow, it's good. Really, really good. So what I'm gonna do, since this is my breakfast also, I'm gonna put some butter on there. Have some buttered cinnamon bread. Well, it came out really nice and fluffy and All right, I can only go on and on so much about the bread. Let me taste another piece. That is so delicious. All right, we'll call success on that. Cinnamon swirl. Some kind of cinnamon swirl bread. Holy moly, holy moly. Success, folks, success. Thanks for coming by. All right. Come back after another piece. This bread is just, it's soft and it's got a sweetness to it from inside before I even get to the cinnamon. And the cinnamon butter mixture we put in there. It's delicious, really, really, really good. This is going to be a difficult bread to stop eating. Well, I reckon.